Let's look at this question. Between two parallel lines PQ and RS, two transversals are drawn as shown in the figure. The angles which the two transversals make with each other and with the respective lines are also shown. What is the value of x? All you have to do is draw a parallel line to PQ and RS in between. Now see, this angle and this angle is supposed to be equal. This angle and this angle are supposed to be 180. So can I say this portion is 90 minus x? This portion is 180 minus 5x plus 35. So 3x minus 10 has been broken down into two parts, 90 minus x and 180 minus 5x plus 35. So 3x minus 10 is equal to 90 minus x plus 180 plus 35 will lead to 215. 215 minus 5x. Okay, so 6x will come to this side. Let's take it. 9x here equal to 90 plus 225. I'm not adding them up because I can see everything will get cancelled by now. So x is equal to 10 plus 25, which is equal to 35. Answer is option D.